Everybody, welcome back. Welcome back. This is Simon. You're watching Cryptechology. We're going to talk about, I don't know, crypto, right? We're going to figure out what's going on. I'm going to share some information on my thoughts on the market, how you can prepare for the future, a different perspective on basically everyone's narrative on how Bitcoin and blockchain is done, and UST is failing. The crypto markets are failing. Is this the end? We're gonna get into that. We're gonna get into how you can use this time to gain more knowledge, so you can be prepared for the next bull run. And also, we're going to close out with a few NFT projects that I'm working on, experimenting on, and how you can participate in that as well. If you're new to this channel, my name is Simon. I'm the co-founder of PSB Advanced Technology. We are an IoT blockchain company building out the LoRaWAN network with the support of the Helium blockchain. Not only do we build out the IoT network, we also do blockchain blockchain education, all right, with the support of DAP University and the Blockchain Education Network. So, if you're looking for someone to teach yourself or your workforce on blockchain development, smart contract, focus on solidity, and also crypto mining. If any of those things resonate with you and you're looking to gain more knowledge on those subjects, please reach out, let me know, leave a comment below, and then we can figure out a way we can come in, and what we do is either do a virtual training or we'll do an in-person in-house training as well. So you can contact me at Patroni excuse me, at Simon Future at pm.me. Again, that's Simon Future at pm.me. Also, you can reach me at Simon Future the number 2 on Twitter, as well as Simon Petroni on LinkedIn. So, all right. That being said, let's get into it. I'm sorry, I'm blowing up. Um, my one of my frat brothers just hit me up saying, "Are you crying yet? Are you concerned about it?" And it's funny. No, because my averages are all still good, still in the green. Also, it's about accumulation right now. Making a YouTube vid. Let's connect in a bit. So, yeah, so, alright, you know what? Let's actually start off with that. Actually, no, I'm going to make you wait a little bit. Not too long, just a little bit. Because I want to provide my perspective on that and why you shouldn't be concerned about what's going on in the markets and how you can be accumulating at this moment in time. But before we get into that strategy, we need to, well, go through the, how do you call it? I forget. Well, we gotta go through the disclaimer here. You know, some of the, whatever they make us say. So, remember, if you lose money in the market, that means you suck at trading and investing. No, I'm sorry, just kidding. But kind of, just a little bit. But for real, don't lose money in the market. Never use more than you can handle to lose. Always remember, you are in control. You are never locked into any position, no matter what. Any information discussed on this channel is not a recommendation to buy, sell, hold, trade, all right, any stocks or cryptocurrency. Everything described is my own experience, my own journey, and I'm just sharing that information and knowledge with you. Please take the time to do your own due diligence. And like I said, don't come crying to me when you lose the bank and your kitchen sink. If you want to do this the right way, please take the time to do some research and to reach out to a professional for your trading and investment needs. All right, that being said, let's hear a word from our sponsor, because we cannot do this without the support of those helping support the channel, helping to support Cryptechology, helping to support, well, yeah, just all of this. So as our channel slowly grows, all right, we are super raw, we are organic to the core. Okay, as you can see, there's no big limelights, there's no studio or anything like that. But I'm interested. I do have an option to go like the studio route. Would you guys like that, or do you like the, homey, raw-ish type home office type situation? Um, I have actually 3 more locations that I can film from. I probably might start doing it. Actually, one of them is actually a really nice place, right off of the water, as the background. Nice big open space area. We can do some videos out from there. We also have a new conference room that is available to do some video recording too. Actually, I've been waiting for that one, where what we're gonna do actually for that one, since it's really nice, we're probably gonna do that for like the interviews. I have a couple interviews lined up where we're gonna start showcasing the other individuals that are doing their thing in the blockchain and crypto community. There's a lot of devs that maybe not getting the limelight. There's a couple miners out there that could share their journey to let you know how you can capitalize off of verifying transactions. Talk about people's experiences in hackathons. Okay, we're also gonna go over other blockchain businesses. Okay, but I'm not gonna go after the millionaires of the group. I'm sure everyone's doing that. There's a lot of content of those doing that. But the rough thing about seeing someone in that position is that for the everyday individual like you and I, seeing somebody at that level is inspiring. It's great and all, but it's hard for me to vision myself in that position, because you may not feel that is within reach for yourself. So my goal is to reach out to those that aren't just starting out. They're like just over their first initial W, their first initial win. They're about halfway there, maybe about a quarter or so or third of a way there towards their end goal. Okay, so we're gonna reach out to a couple of those individuals, and then we're gonna stay in touch, and then we're gonna progressively, continuously, just have a conversation with them, and watch that process grow. So so you get to see how people can level up and enhance their future self. You get to be part of that entire journey, that entire process. Okay, so here's a word from our sponsor. We couldn't do this without the support of Token Metrics. Okay, so what's Token Metrics again? Well, Token Metrics is the place to be, the platform to have if you are focused on cryptocurrency. from analytics to live pricing to portfolio management, different products like their Token Metrics TV, podcast, insights. They even have an academy coming up and different areas you can learn. Token Metrics is the tool for you to level up. Token Metrics also provides the affiliate program. So I'm building out a team of astronauts. We're going to call the future knots. All right. This team of astronauts, there will only be 10 available spots. Again, there will be 10 available spots. And what does that entail is that you'll become part of the team. And being part of the team, you'll have weekly webinars with myself where we'll go over some amazing not content, just amazing advice and educational strategies related to sales and marketing, from some really, some clutch mentors. Not going to drop any names just yet, but when you join the astronaut team, the future knots, not the astronaut affiliation through Token Metrics, this is specifically my team. Okay, so click on the link below in the description and you can join the team. Like I said, there's only going to be 10 spots available for those that are interested on the one-on-one training. We're going to be basically, taking affiliate marketing but to the next level. We're going to work together, collaborate, and have a team initiative at strategically sharing this information and make some good entertaining content together to help you, number one, to walk away with some actionable information that you can implement right away, and number two, to enjoy yourself and be entertained at the same time, because no one likes boring facts. All right, because they're boring facts. All right, that being said, thank you Token Metrics for all your support sponsoring these videos, and let's get to it. So Token Metrics, let's just see. So right now the market is doing terrible, right? So everyone is so upset about the Bitcoin price, and what I was telling people before was like, look, who cares about the Bitcoin price? You see, what's happening in the market right now is exactly what's supposed to happen. There were a lot of over leveraged hands, all right? And that's what initially kind of started this. People were like, look, it's time to pay up, yo. Like you had that collateralized loan for some time, all right? However, you didn't pay on your bag. Now there's two things. And I've went through and coded liquidation bots, so I completely understand and know exactly what this is about. All right, basically, look, you will get liquidated if you do not pay your bag or add some more, which is essentially paying your bag. Okay, so you gotta pay your bag. You can pay your bag a little bit, kind of like kicking the can down the road. Which is not good. I don't think that's a great idea, because if the market will continue to flush out, well then kicking the can down the road could just cost you some more money in the long run. So, or it's time to put up or shut up right now. That's what's happening, and these liquidation bots are doing exactly what they're supposed to do. They're going to take out the over leveraged, the over collateralized individuals or institutions or anything. Okay, everyone was so excited about that bull run and everyone's making money. Okay, everyone was happy with their current average, but no one wanted to no one wants to pay their bag, and that's exactly what you should have done. And that's kind of like what I was expressing about before, about repping your team or your community or the person. When you are winning, that is the time you pay your bag. You do not pay your bag when you are losing. All right, now people want to pay their bag. UST and Luna, now you want to pay your bag? Why would you do that now just to keep things afloat? You should have paid your bag while you were already flying high. Okay? While you were already winning. That's when you pay your bag. Okay? So, when things start to go on a downward spiral, okay, your lender will be like, okay, he's paid his bag. Let's let's make sure they're okay, or give them an extension, or such and such and such. Now that was happening in a regular fiat world, but now with cryptocurrency, you can't really control that. The code is the code is the code. If you have a collateralized, if you have a liquidation bot in place and you reach your liquidation point, it's it. Bag up. It's too late. It's gone. Nothing you can do about it. Okay? The code and the contract will do exactly what it's supposed to do. That's why you pay your bag before any of this happens, so you're never at that situation. All right? Look, you take, and I'm done. This is the last one before I harp on this too much. You use the opportunity to your advantage, okay? You use the leverage to your advantage, and when you win out, you pay your bag. It's that simple. And then when you pay your bag, then you can go ahead and now leverage from a new point, okay? From those win-ins. All right? Don't be greedy. Being greedy never gets you anywhere, okay? That's it. That's all I'm going to say. Now, another thing I would like to talk about, actually, before I get into that, let's go take a look at the current live prices of some other coins that's going on. So Ethereum is sitting at 21.53. Okay, we got UST supposed to be pegged at $1. It was at like 60 cents, and then it was at like 90 cents or 92 cents. I don't know exactly where it's at right now. Supposedly it's at $1. Let's see if that's accurate right now, because last time I was looking at it, it wasn't actually at $1. It was actually below $1. So it looks like it may have corrected itself. Okay, I guess it's corrected itself right now. Excuse me. Okay, and then so Solana, wow, Solana at 52. Look at that opportunity. So let's go ahead and see, because the current trend in coins right now is Terra, Bitcoin, Solana, and Anchor. All right, so these are going to be the coins we're going to be talking about at the moment, since that's currently what's trending. And we're going to be a little bit more focused on these videos. So we have Anchor Protocol, ANC. It's currently trending at the moment. All right, we have a market cap of about 104 mil. With the current 24-hour trading volume, wow, over the market cap. Now that is interesting. A higher trading volume over the market cap. That's never really a good thing. Fully diluted valuations at 303, and the trading volumes at 229. That is not good. That means people are bagging out. They are not bagging up. They are bagging out. And it looks like this thing is going to wow. It's gonna be like, that's damn near the whole thing. Literally 70 million worth of coins left in the market, or so. Or at least that much of trading volume in the last 24 hours. That is a lot, actually. That is a lot. With the circulating supply, yeah, that is a lot. So I don't know what to say about this. I haven't really looked into Anchor Protocol. I don't know anything about Anchor at all. All right, so let's just see if I can gather any information on the fundamentals of the technology. Nothing is coming up. Technical analysis, there's nothing really coming up. Look at that signal though, bearish signal right there. If you would have had, token metrics and you would have gotten out at that 260 mark, you would have been sitting pretty, because look at this, man. Oh wow, 28 cents now. But look at that. You would have saved yourself from hurting, Look at these. And this is another thing why token metrics is so amazing. Like, so many things that you can do using this tool. And that's why I really recommend token metrics. So Solana, let's go take a look at Solana, because I actually understand Solana. I use Solana on a daily basis. Still going through the current farms that I'm participating in with the Ray USDT, Ray ETH ratio. Actually want to get out of this one. Let's see if I can get out, because I want to redo my staking portfolio. It's been some time since I've done that, and oh man, is it not gonna let me get out? It's probably not gonna let me get out. Yeah, that's never a good sign when I can't get out my bag. Alright, I gotta go take a look at that later. Got an error for some reason. Oh wait, that's because I canceled that one. Okay, so we'll go back to that. Alright, let's take a look at Solana. Solana's sitting at 52.23. Okay. 52.23. I mean, as you can see, everything is just coming down. Okay, so we are below previous resistance on this one. Let me see. So it can come down to this 37 mark. I wouldn't be surprised if we come down all the way to 37.05 for Solana. All right. Can it even hit and retest 21? Absolutely. Absolutely can hit 21. Actually, let's check that out real quick, because let me see. From here to 21 is, let me see. That's actually is about right there. That is a drop of, what is this? I forgot to deal with the info. That is a drop of 85%. Wow, look at that, 85%. Now, let's take a look at this one. All right, so where is 85% here? Wow. Wait a minute, hold on. Yeah. It's getting a little rough out there, actually. Let me do that. So, that would put let's see, right there, 243.35. Okay. So yeah, so that's a potential, but that would be a long trade. I wouldn't even be doing that right now. If I would probably look to enter around here. Let me see. Can I make, where is my shape? Where's my shapes? These are icons. There we go. If it goes to $20 or 21, back up to 141, you're talking about a damn near 600% increase. Okay, that is an amazing run. So even from right here, currently where we are right now, so I think it was 52. So say you did get in about right here. Okay, and we want to do a swing trade to previous resistance. Okay, that's 188% potential trade. Swing trade. So that would be something I would be looking into as well. Not financial advice. Another thing now, let's just do this trend line here from here to here. Let's do like a little something like that. Alright, and we're gonna do this one all the way across. Wait, no. Okay. Now, they call this, and let's do this. Now, this could potentially... Now, the thing is, we're starting to see this U, okay? This is a good sign, this U, but then again, we saw, because we didn't get a U here. The last time we saw, like, this U, let's take a look at the first time we broke out over 52. So let's actually see how long that was. So the first time we broke out on Solana to the actual breakout, that was 92 days. Okay, 92 days from resistance to breakout. So if we did that here, and we go 92 days out, okay, so that would put us around the first week of July of potentially coming back. This was so violently low that we could see an increase at least back to retest resistance, and that's not a bad idea. So essentially, whoopsies. Essentially, it could look something like this. All right, right here to there. And then back up. And then probably back down to here, here. Okay, and this is what we could potentially see going in. So that means if it does play out like this, so that means we're talking about um an entire summer of essentially it would be a bear summer, okay? Putting us at a potential breakout. But then if that's the case of retesting resistance here in September, that means we're talking about from here to here, that is 161 days. So now that's essentially all right, 160 days. Okay, I can actually see that because actually let's see when this how it was here. Now, let's see. Where's 160 days here? But this can hard really it's hard to account because a lot of PPP money, there's a lot of other things and a lot of other factors that was going on during all of this. Okay, even with the increased volume, as you can see, but we're still above this volume here, which is good. But volume has been decreasing since then, which is not a positive sign. But all right, I think I did a little bit too much on Solana. Let's get out of Solana here. And let's just take a look at Bitcoin. Oh, ApeCoin just became trending. It's replaced Bitcoin. Why is that? Is ApeCoin doing something right now? Let's see. No, ApeCoin's at 6,085 cents. Oh man, I'm so glad I did not get into this because I saw this and I wanted to buy at 20 something bucks, and I'm so glad that I didn't because look at this shit. It's just really shit. I'm sorry. I know people like it, but I think it's shit. I think it's insulting. I don't like it at all. I don't like the whole ape thing. Um, but I'm not gonna get into that. Anyway, so Bitcoin, yeah, Bitcoin. All right. So one thing I just want to say about Bitcoin, people may like this, may not like this, but I'm actually happy that the price is going down. I'm actually happy that this is happening. And to close out, before I get into before I get into that, why I'm happy that the price is going down, let's just listen up to our last sponsor. So, we got one more message from another sponsor, DogeLord.com. All right, DogeLord.com is a place to be and a place to go for your crypto Bitcoin apparel. DogeLord approved. Yes, it is. Here are the collections on DogeLord.com. If you are a content creator and you want to rep your gear on DogeLord.com, pick the two best merchandise items and reach out to me and we will get you listed on dogelord.com. This is the place to be if you want to be part of the blockchain collaboration. This is the time to focus on partnerships right now. The market is down. All right, you don't need to worry about getting a whole bunch of GPUs. You don't need to worry about trying to keep up with the market. You don't need to worry about this, that. You can slow down. You can set up your partnerships. You can connect with people or businesses or institutions or communities that you've wanted to connect with but didn't have time before. Now is the time to do it. Set yourself up for the next volume bull run. All right, because when that bull run comes back again, you don't want to be missing out on your bag and trying to do this, trying to do that. So come out, hang out with us, become a part of the community, and let's be a true example of collaboration. So here are a few of the content creators showing some of their merch here on dogelord.com. If you go on the left hand side right here, you click on the men's collection. There are a couple items right now that's available to you. This amazing Bitcoin book bag, I just got this backpack. I just got that. Getting so much compliments. The diamond shirt, the future diamond shirt, diamond reflections for the real ones only. All right. So if you know about diamond hands and you understand about it, well, then you need to rep your crypto apparel gear with the diamonds shirt. Another thing you want to look at is accessories. There's some amazing accessories right now, like the digital Bitcoin sticker. We got the backpack. We have the Bitcoin lamp. We got sneakers. We have so much things where you can really accessorize with cryptocurrency. So don't delay. Buy today. Come hang out. Dozor.com. This is the place to be. Get your crypto apparel today. Sign up. When you sign up, you have an opportunity to get a 15% coupon on your first order. So come here, subscribe, put your email in, and subscribe. Reach out to me at simonfuture@pm.me if you want to learn more, or if you want to get your apparel listed on dozor.com and let the world see this cool skateboard wall art. It's really something else, actually. I really do enjoy it. Okay, but like I said, look, if you want to bag up, this is for the real ones only. Okay, so save your bag, come to dozor.com, get your crypto apparel today. Okay, that being said, let's move on to the last part of our video here today. Okay, so we were talking about the Bitcoin price. We were talking about Solana, Anchor, and Terra. We went over a few different things. And before we get into that last moment, we're just going to go over Lofty on the Algorand blockchain. This is where you can buy real estate on the blockchain. You can buy real estate today, invest in real estate with just low as $50. You got it. You heard me correct. $50 gets you started in real estate right now, and you can start earning rent right now. So you see I've earned at least $18.45, okay, with the current account value at $23.26. I'm up about 0.38% so far, and I mean, it's just really fantastic. I own 15 properties here on the blockchain. Okay, these are all the properties that I currently own that's paying rent out at the moment. If you want to figure out how you can go ahead and participate this, you can access the Lofty marketplace. Invest in a tokenized real estate for only $50 and sell anytime. I've been part of Lofty since the very first property, since actually before this was even started. I was actually part of the Slack community, communicating with Max and Jerry. They do a great job at letting everybody know when the new properties are coming, become available. The documentation related to these properties are all here. The financials, the documents, the buying process, the market, everything is here for you to check out. You know, the current historical growth of that area. I mean, it really goes heavy. And you just click on invest right here and you select how many coins you want to get or participate in. So if I want to get one right here right now, it costs me $51.40. If I go click pay now and then click alright, accept a rate, this is how you can go ahead and buy some. But I actually bought a whole bunch. I don't need to buy any more today at all. So if you want to get into real estate on the blockchain, this is the place to be. Head on over to Lofty Marketplace right now. Alright, that being said, let's close out the video. Why do I want Bitcoin going down? Why do I enjoy the price low? Is it because I can get more Bitcoin? Well, obviously, isn't that like a duh? Like, yeah, the strategy right now is accumulate as much Bitcoin as you possibly can. That is the goal. That is the strategy. That's what you got to do. Now, why do I like Bitcoin going lower? Why? Because it puts the power back into the hands of the people. You see, long time ago when Bitcoin was just around $10,000 or so, $12,000, we couldn't wait for institutions to get involved. We were super excited when Elon came out and he decided to buy some Bitcoin at, I believe it was 45,000 or 35,000 or somewhere around there or something like that, his first initial buy. Okay, and the next thing, we already know what happened after that. But the thing is, when that happened, all I heard was complaints across the board. Oh my gosh, the train has left. It's too late. Bitcoin is too expensive. all the institutions are buying now. There's no way I'm gonna be able to accumulate. Da 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 da. I can't afford. I can't do this. I can't do this. I can't do that. Blah 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 blah. All these things, okay? All these negatives, all these obstacles per se. Well, guess what? The price is going lower. The liquidation bots for over collateralized and over leveraged individuals is working exactly how it's supposed to work. Okay, it's getting rid of all of those ones that are going to screw up the market for everybody. Okay, because they're over leveraged and they don't know what they're doing. So we need to get rid of all of those all of those shitty investments, essentially. That being said, the opportunity, as the price goes lower, the opportunity increases for the community. Why? Because institutions need Bitcoin to be at a certain price so they can actually invest in it. If Bitcoin is too low, they're really not going to accumulate as much. So institutions, they work in numbers far larger than the average Joe. Okay, and because of that, a higher price Bitcoin is more appealing to them than a lower price Bitcoin. So as the price of Bitcoin actually decreases, it actually increases your chances of leveling up in the long run. Like Mike Saylor says, you don't talk about Bitcoin unless you're going to hold it for 5 to 10. Okay? And that's true. Don't get into Bitcoin thinking you're going to level up and win tomorrow. This is a long-term hold play. The game is to accumulate as much BTC as you possibly can in any way possible. Whether it's creating a Bitcoin company to accumulate Bitcoin or making it legal tender, like some countries have done that so they can collect Bitcoin as well, or get some mining equipment, ASICs, verify the transactions, get some mining equipment, get Bitcoins that way, or find a blockchain job and you can be paid out in Bitcoin too. However way you can get Bitcoin, that is your strategy right now. What do I need to do to find my way to accumulate as much BTC as possible? Remember, Bitcoin is a digital store of value. It's one of the only things left in the world right now that is backed by something, and some financial backing as well. With the wallet of Satoshi Nakamoto left, and it's still available. No one can touch that Bitcoin. Okay, so that being said, remember, as the price goes lower, it's just a better opportunity for the people to level up and enhance your future self. Don't let this opportunity go without action. You knew about the train last time and you didn't act. Now the train is coming back to the station. What are you going to do this time? All right, y'all. Thank you for watching. Thanks for listening. If you liked anything you've heard in this video and you made it to the end, I really appreciate it if you hit that like for the YouTube algorithm. Let people know about this channel, Cryptechology. And yeah, let's get it. Never give up. Keep going for your bag. Keep trying to win. Strive for greatness. And let's diamond hands it. My name is Simon. Catch you on the next one. Peace.